Ever wondered how to cook the perfect chicken breast? Let's master this essential skill together. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through every step to create a dish that's both delicious and easy to make. Ready to elevate your cooking game? Join us as we uncover the secrets to achieving tender and flavorful chicken every time. Stay tuned for more culinary insights. Before we start cooking, let's gather all the ingredients needed for our chicken breast recipe. Freshness is our secret weapon, ensuring the best flavors and textures. Preparation is key to success in any kitchen endeavor, so grab those fresh herbs, spices, and chicken, and set the stage for a mouth-watering dish. Ready to dive in? Let's get cooking. All right, young chefs, let's dive into preparing the perfect chicken breast. Start by laying your chicken breast flat on a clean cutting board. If it's particularly thick, consider slicing it horizontally to ensure even cooking. Next, gently pat it dry with a paper towel. Now let's talk seasoning. A simple blend of salt, pepper, and garlic powder is classic and effective. But don't shy away from experimenting. Paprika and cayenne can add a delightful kick. Sprinkle your chosen seasonings generously on both sides. With our chicken prepped, it's time to move to the stove. Heat a tablespoon of olive oil or butter in a skillet over medium heat. Once the oil shimmers or the butter is melted and slightly frothy, carefully place your chicken breast in the pan. Cooking time varies depending on the thickness of your chicken, but generally 6 to 7 minutes per side should do the trick. To check for doneness, insert a meat thermometer into the thickest part of the breast. You're aiming for an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. No thermometer? No problem. Cut into the center. If the juices run clear and there's no pink, you're good to go. As we master these techniques, remember that cooking is as much about the journey as it is about the destination. Up next, we'll explore the art of plating and tasting, where presentation meets flavor to complete our culinary adventure. Stick around and let's continue to make cooking easy and enjoyable together. Now that we've cooked our chicken breast to perfection, it's time for the grand finale, plating and tasting. Begin by carefully placing the juicy chicken breast onto your favorite dish, arranging it beautifully to highlight its golden brown finish. As you take your first bite, savor the tender texture and the delightful burst of flavors from the seasoning we applied. Remember, achieving this delicious outcome is all about following the steps we've covered, from selecting fresh ingredients to mastering the cooking technique on the stove. This journey has been about making cooking simple and accessible. With these steps, you have the tools to recreate this dish anytime you wish, impressing friends and family with your culinary skills. As you enjoy your meal, reflect on what you've learned today. With practice, you can master any dish, turning each cooking session into a delightful experience. Thank you for joining us on this culinary adventure. Keep experimenting and keep cooking. Until next time, happy cooking.